Hi, my name is Fatima SAFVA, a student of University of West London in BSc Computer Science, and my student ID is 33151133. And this video demonstrates Element 2 back-end development for the mobile web application development module. In this portfolio, I developed the backend logic for four Android application using Java in Android Studio. The purpose of Element 2 is to convert previously designed front-end interfaces into fully functional applications by implementing validation, logic handling, navigation, and data persistence. All applications were developed using Java only. Kotlin was intentionally not used in order to maintain consistency and simplicity. For data persistence, shared preferences was used where required, particularly in the registration and login application. The four applications demonstrated in this video are Weight Converter app, Animal Catalog app, button Interaction app, registration and login app. I will now demonstrate each app by first running it and then showing the relevant backend Java code. This is a weight converter application. It allows the user to convert values between kilograms, grams, pounds, and stones. When I enter a value and press convert, the app correctly displays the converted result. If the input field is empty and the user presses convert, the application does not crash. Instead, a message is displayed asking the user to enter a value. Initially, the app crashed when the convert button was pressed with no input. This was fixed by adding input validation. This ensures the conversion logic only runs when valid input is provided. To avoid writing separate logic for every unit combination, all values are first converted to kilograms, then converted to the target unit. This approach reduces redundancy and improves maintainability. Overall, this app demonstrates strong validation, clean business logic, and safe error handling. This is the animal catalog application, which displays animal images, names, and description. The user can navigate through animals using next and previous buttons. The user can also tap thumbnails to jump directly to an animal. The core challenging part in this app was navigation without array index error. Instead of using multiple conditional check, modulo arithmetic was used. This creates circular navigation, allowing seamless looping without crashes. This ensures that the application state updates only after animation finish, preventing UI inconsistencies. This method acts as a single source of truth, ensuring all UI elements stay synchronized. Overall, this app required careful state management and navigation control. The button interaction application demonstrates event-driven backend logic. Each color button changes the background color of the activity. Each animal button updates the central image. Each button has a single, clearly defined responsibility. This resets the app state in one action. This app was completed without functional errors and demonstrates clean event handling. This is the most complex application, which is the registration and login app involving validation, authentication, persistence, and navigation. Validation prevents empty fields, short usernames, password mismatch. This code handles password validation during registration. It checks whether the password and confirm passwords field match. If they do not match, an error message is shown directly on the confirm password field. The input is focused on correction and the registration process is stopped using return. This prevents incorrect or inconsistent data from being saved and avoids login issues later. This code saves the user's registration details into shared preferences after validation. The data is stored as key value pairs so it can be retrieved later for login authentication and display on the welcome screen. The app first checks if an account exists, then validates credentials. User data is retrieved and displayed, including calculated age. This clears stored data on app launch, which was useful during testing. The main challenges included are app crashes due to missing validation, array index errors in navigation, null values in shared preferences. These were fixed by adding early validation checks using modulo arithmetic and ensuring consistent preference keys. The registration app required the most debugging due to its multi-activity structure. Overall, this project significantly improved my understanding of Android activity lifecycle, Java backend logic, validation and defensive programming, persistent data storage. What went well was the progressive improvement of code structure and successful integration of shared preferences. What was challenging was time management and debugging complex user flows. This project provided a strong foundation for future mobile application development. Thank you for watching.